Hey everyone, welcome to week 6. This week we will be focusing on sexuality across the lifespan. Um, Along with different approaches to sex therapy. So we'll touch on sex therapy and start learning about those techniques. It's really important this week because it brings a lot of the concepts we've been discussing and asks you to think more holistically. One of the key things I want you to focus on is development. Sexuality is not static, it evolves over time. So as you go through the material, I want you to think about how sexuality shows up in different life stages, how experiences in earlier stages can influence later development, and how these patterns can present in a counseling setting in front of a client. You'll also be exploring different models of sex therapy. Rather than trying to memorize the approach, focus on understanding the purpose of the model, how it supports client growth, and when it might be the most appropriate to use it. As counselors, it's less about knowing everything and more about knowing how to apply what you know. For your discussions this week, I want you to think across the lifespan. What are the unique considerations at different stages? What challenges might arise? How would you adapt your approach depending on the client's developmental stage? You also have 2 assignments this week. As you complete those assignments, focus on making clear connections between development and clinical practice using course material to support your responses and demonstrating your understanding of how therapy approaches align with client needs. As always, stay consistent with your engagement and reach out if you need support. This week is a great opportunity to really step into your role as a counselor in training. I'm looking forward to seeing your work. Have a great week.